Hey YouTube, how we doing? That's right, it is time to take a look at something brand new from our boys over at JohnnySlicks.com. That is their spring pomade. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of this guy. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time viewers of the channel who haven't done it yet, look down below in that corner right there. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing. It should pull up subscribe. Go ahead and knock that out the way early. That way you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. Alrighty, boys. So most of you are pretty much familiar with me bringing Johnny Slicks products to the channel. This one, his spring scent, I think he released it like a week or two ago. So I had to jump on it quick. And as you can see, I have been using it. So, you know, it's not like I just got it in the other day and I'm like, I need to do this review right now. I always like to test stuff out, see how it feels, see how everything goes. Because even though you get stuff from the same company, sometimes you get different results. Now, you can find them at Tctbnl.JohnnySlicks.com. Now, this is the best part. All right, they are 100% made in the USA out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. They are a 100% veteran-owned company. That is amazing to me, and that's where I want to go shop first, is with my fellow vets. They are both former, Johnny and his partner are both former U.S. Marine Corps. And as Johnny likes to joke, only one of us still looks like he's serving. Now, I know I say this a lot in every other Johnny Slicks video I've done, and I got to say it again in this one. I discovered them in a Nick Comolazzo's YouTube video. He was talking about how, you know, Johnny kept sending him product and wanted him to invest. And I totally forgot about all that until I saw a Facebook ad a while later from JohnnySlicks.com. And it was one of those, you know, you're sitting here talking in your house and all of a sudden Facebook shows you 80 ads for like beard product. Because that's what I was talking with my better half about. So I saw the ad, pulled the trigger on the rugged, and speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a review for, a card, for every single review that we've ever done on, you know, a beard care product. You're going to see the rugged in there, and every other one we've done from Johnny Slicks sitting in there. So I pulled the trigger on that, and, you know, I've been a client, you know, of theirs ever since. And it just kind of makes me laugh, because Nick and Johnny released a video about, like, their first year in business, and they were talking about how important, you know, marketing was. And I'm like, well, yeah, if you guys hadn't run that ad, I probably wouldn't have even remembered you. I'd have moved on to something else. But because you ran that ad, client for life. Your product is awesome. And no, they're not paying me to say that. I've bought everything. So this is my unbiased opinion. Now, what I like is they are 100% organic. Okay? Johnny is very fanatical about every single thing that goes into his products is safe for your body. And I think that's awesome, because there's other companies out there that use a lot of chemicals and a lot of alcohol-based stuff that really dries out your skin and dries out your hair. Even though they're telling you this is supposed to help you, it's actually harming what it's supposed to do. Now, it's a 4-ounce glass jar, and it's going to run you $14.99 on his website, Tctbnl.JohnnySlicks.com. Now, the ingredients for this guy are beeswax, coconut oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and body safe fragrance. You know, I swear to God, I should be able to rattle that off just like this by now with how many reviews I've done for them, because I love their products. And that reminds me, they're releasing a new one today, March 15, 2019. When I get done with this video and get done editing it, I gotta go buy that. Just so I can bring it in and go, yeah, another great one. Alright, I admit it, I'm a Johnny Slicksaholic, okay? I really love this stuff. He's killing it. He is flat out killing it. Now, the scent profile on this is supposed to be lavender and fresh cut grass. Now, here's the funny part, all right? I said this in another video I did a moment ago on the beard oil for spring. Right here, I smell a faint hint of lavender, but when I put it on, all I smell is the fresh cut grass. Which is funny, because in the beard oil, all I smell is the lavender, and I hardly detect the fresh cut grass. So it's neat that you can combine the two and get that overall feeling and just get a better hold. Now, I know you guys are going, look, you have no hair. What are you using pomade for? Their pomade can be used as a beard balm. It has a very light to medium hold. So it's great that they went, it's on that fine line that it can go both ways. So he made a dual use product, which increased his sales for me because if it couldn't use it in my beard, I wouldn't be buying it. It goes in really, really easy, just like beard balm. I mean, you can see in there where I've dug some out. All right. Get it in your hand like I usually do and just rub it together until it emulsifies, which means it goes from a solid form down to a liquid form. And just work it into your beard like you do beard balm. Comb it out, and you have a beautiful, light to medium hold. Now, one of the secrets with his pomade is the more damp your hair is the less of a hold it's going to have. The drier your hair is the more hold it's going to have. Now, I know. You're wondering, does it leave like a greasy aftertone? Well, if you don't use too much, yeah, it's great. You don't have like streaks or whatever across your face. You don't have clumps in your beard. You're not pulling stuff out when you're going through. But, it's just my experience versus other beard balms that I have used. And I will say I've only used beard balms from 2 other companies on the planet. Well, I should say a third, no, fourth, because I've shot reviews for 2 more. So I've used beard balms from 4 different companies. And by far, the Johnny Slicks Organic Pomade is hands down the best balm I've ever used inside my beard. That's why I've brought so much of it to the channel, and I'm going to keep bringing more as he rolls out more scents. Because some of the stuff he does is seasonal, and I missed one that I really want to try, but I'm excited for the new stuff he's rolling out. Okay, with all that fun stuff being said, I want to know what you think. Your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. We're going to have a great discussion about this one. Especially, have you used Johnny Slicks before? I would love to know your experiences with it because overall, as a customer, I could not be happier with this company. Their interactions via social media, the fact that they're very friendly, they're very open, they're very honest about stuff. I was able to ask him a question about his beard wash, and I'll be bringing that to the channel too. And man, he answered it within like 5 minutes on a freaking Saturday. And I'm not talking like Saturday morning. Let's just set alone that he answered on a Saturday. All right? It was within 5 minutes, and I think it was like at 5 o'clock at night I sent the damn message. So that is above and beyond the call, in my opinion. Like I've said in a previous video, and I stand by this, I will be a customer until the coffin closes or he shuts the door permanently. Period. Now, for the fun wrap-up. Man, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, like I said earlier, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. It really means a lot to me that you chose my channel to watch this video on. I know there's like millions of other options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the very beginning of this video, look down below in that corner. You're going to see a bigger channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that subscribe out, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Why? It's a great question, because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My overview of Johnny Slicks Spring Organic Pomade. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day today.